Dude, Discord is full. Okay, I'm Taskmaster in Discord on my phone. Okay, yeah, Discord broke. Okay, only bruh broke. Okay, I fixed it. I didn't. Okay, here it is. Here's your concentration camp next to the tennis court.
Oh, hold on. Second phase status.
Good news. I don't see any roundabouts. You got the Daniel building. I'll keep you updated. If there's a Dylan building, I'll advise you.
If there's a Dylan building.
You've got the Montgomery Music Building. Cavalry Baptist Church. It's not really campus anymore. Liberty, Hale. We have a Liberty Street in CFC. You've got Cumming Street School. We've got a Cumming Road. So you've got E Pearl Serpentine. McCravey.
Right, I'm gonna become a Warren status for third phase.
Okay. You've got a Starbucks. Library. Some art centers, like a lot of churches. Auditorium. Food. Treasurer's office. You got Domino's Pizza. You did it!
I think those, like, I think I did every parry too.
You did 100% parry?
As clean as possible.
Holy,
while you're like reading out the
background.
Google Maps and everything.
As clean as possible while I'm talking about how you got burrito
Binks, this is the secret fourth phase. Check this out. If I miss this button, the run's over.
Oh.
Okay, I need to not miss input here. Okay, successful run. He needs to not hear me in the cutscene.
He should have called you something like the N-word in the final cutscene.
That would be so uncalled for, though.
He has a gun. He doesn't care.
That's true. GG, bad.